What if I built a TARDIS? That's actually a really great idea. I should probably explain what a TARDIS is, though. Well, the TARDIS, a staple of the TV show known as Doctor Who, of which I am a very, 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 very big fan of. And something that makes the TARDIS so special is that it's one of the best time travel devices known to man. That's right, the DeLorean ain't got shit on this thing. And the reason I say this is because the TARDIS is not just a time travel device. It's also a spaceship, and it's a phone box that is bigger on the inside. Yes, while the outside of the TARDIS is definitely very small, the inside is much bigger, and in fact it has an infinite amount of space. But there is one main thing that every TARDIS has had over the years, and that one thing is the TARDIS console room, which has always been the coolest console room I've ever seen in my life. Which is why I've decided to build one. I got a lot of graph paper and a lot of determination. Let's start planning. So something you really gotta think about is, what goes into a TARDIS? So let's do our first attempt at drawing some plans. Abracadabra! Now, from a first glance, this might look okay, but the proportions are really weird. You see, according to that little thing in the corner, each square is equal to 6 inches, meaning that the base of the console is only about a foot tall, all with a little bit underneath. So, I might need to do some remeasuring. This may be harder than I thought. Okay, so about a minute of resketching and erasing later, this is where we're at right now. I made the base a little taller, made the console itself a little wider. I'm gonna have to fix the above view as well, because the TARDIS console is just a hexagon, which is actually surprisingly hard to draw. See y'all in part 2.